following video is dedicated to Carl Williamson. Let's go make a knife. Woo, woo.
Riding North Central, Monday morning rain, wrestling.
What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today is a very special episode because a couple of things. One, I'm gonna make a knife, and two, it's a gift for my parents for Christmas. So check it out. I've got a grandfather that worked all of his life on the railroad. He retired from the railroad, and unfortunately he passed away. But when he did, the family got to come and take a couple little things or whatever, something that meant something to you. In his garage on his little workbench, he had two of these railroad spikes. You know I'm always working with metal. I love to mold metal, make things. So we're gonna make this, his spike, into something real unique that'll stay around maybe in the family. Other note, real quick, the coal forge that I use in this video, I made it on this channel. If you want directions to it, it's all posted there. Check my previous videos. I'll also try to put a link to that video in the comments below. Pros and cons to the coal forge is it takes forever to heat it up. But once it gets there, man, you stick it in there, it's like a minute later, it's glowing yellow, ready to go. Plan is to put this in there, get it up to temperature, and I'm gonna do the old classic twist handle. I'm gonna put it in the vise, I'm gonna twist it while it's hot, put a nice grip on there. I wanna draw the handle down a little bit and have the meaty front end kind of come down and into it. That's the plan. It's time to build. If you wanna make your own, feel free to go do that yourself. I'm gonna start with fire starters. Light these up.
Like this thing's really noisy, it's kind of hard to talk over. Going for the quench.
Final test. Hard. She's singing. She's a singing. There she is. In a real rough, raw state. Still got that end on there, nice and perfect. Didn't get messed up at all. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a white pencil and I'm gonna draw out kind of the shape. And I'm gonna do some of the raw grinding with a hand grinder. I wanna kind of put a dip here, just a little bit. I wanna put a little curve right about in here. That way your fingers don't slide up into the blade. The basic shape. Refine that. And then we'll go hit it with the belt sander. Something about like that. Now you can see the blade taking shape. Got the point. Took a little bit out of the handle right there. Better view of the point. I'm gonna hit this thing with my small 1-inch sand belt here, and then if I need to, I'll take it over to the 4-inch. I'm gonna do a 40 and then an 80. Knock off some material and then fine it up a little bit. Heck yeah. I can clean it up real good. Check out that fit. A little wire brush action. Things real dirty. Get your hands dirty. Closer look for you. Little before and after. Man, it turned out sweet. I'm happy with it. It is perfect. Fits right in your hand. It's got that little section right there where it won't slide up on you. I still want to have a knife off video with my buddy, so make sure you check that one back. I'll put that up. We'll go at it together. Alright guys, that is all I have for today. Remember, if you like my video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you did like it, check out the other videos. There's all kinds of videos on there. Over 100 videos I have now. That is all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace. Take us out, Willie.
I'm your neighbor.